Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a recommendation letter. What is recommendation letter? A letter of recommendation is a letter written on behalf of an applicant by someone who can vouch for that person's educational or professional performance. This letter is typically sent to an admissions officer or hiring manager considering a candidate for admission, employment, or a scholarship. And Writing Practices will show you how to write a recommendation letter step by step. First of all, you need to write down the date today. And then, as it is a recommendation letter for education, you can write the school name or university that your student wants to apply. In this case, I write a recommendation letter to a scholars program in a college. Write the name of the program, the university, and the address including the street, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can open the letter with "to whom it may concern." This is a formal greeting if you don't know the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can strictly go to the point why you are writing the letter. You can say "I recommend this student," mention the name, the program, and the university name. In the second paragraph, you can introduce yourself if you are the teacher of the student you are recommending. And tell general plus points about the student you recommend. Just tell brief about how special the student is compared to other students in general. In the third paragraph, this is the main key points. You have to tell more details about your student's strength. Always remember, you have to focus mentioning those that are relevant to the program or major that the student applies. If it is about art, then tell about achievement in arts. And so on. Use powerful words to make good sentences. This paragraph will take you a lot of efforts to make it sounds perfect. And don't forget to mention that the student is ready to enter the university. In the fourth paragraph, you can mention details about the student's achievements that are beyond the major or program he or she applied. For example, the student might be active in extracurricular and so on. You can mention them all in this paragraph. And the last paragraph, you can write that you are ready to help the university provide more details about the student you recommend. You can end it by giving powerful sentence like how you trust the student that he or she will be able to catch their dreams and so on. And finally, close the letter with sincerely, your signature, and full name. So, that's all how you write a recommendation letter for students. Mostly, this letter is written by the teachers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Writing Practices channel for more videos like this.